mag-evolve ba ng tawagan natin sa isa't isa. Lagi mong tatandaan na love na love ko rin kita. Hindi ka masyadong mahaba at dadramahan pa ang sulat nito dahil for sure tutulo ang luha at simon mo sa wedding natin. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa iyo sa mga support na binibigay mo sa akin, sa mga decision mo sa buwan, mapatrabaho mo or mapapamilya.
My dearest Will, all I can think of right now is the moment I will finally walk down the aisle and see you, my handsome groom, waiting for me at the altar. You are my happiness, my best friend, and my love. I have found my happy ever after with you. I can't promise you that our married life will be easy or that tomorrow will always be perfect. But all I can promise you is my loyalty, my respect, and my unconditional love.
Jay and Normie, learn to appreciate always of the art of kneeling down together. To kneel down together in order to pray. To put God as the center of your relationship, as the center of your married life.
Ang gusto sa ating dalawa, sana mag-ingat tayo. Ang ating, of course, ating mga babies and mga magiging anak natin. Sana ay patuloy din tayo nilalaan ba ni Lord at ni Lord. Layo tayo sa papahamakan na biyayaan pa tayo ng mga blessings. I love you, sama ka ni Lord.
You are the love of my life, and you make me happier than I could have ever imagined. I feel fortunate beyond words that we get to go through life together as husband and wife. There is no doubt in my mind that you will be a great father someday, as I have seen how you take care of our fur babies, Late and Liga. I promise to love you, take care of you, appreciate you every day. I promise to listen to you and learn from you, to laugh with you and cry with you. I will make time to support you and encourage you in everything you do.
Message ko sa aking naging asawa si Normie. Gusto ko salamat sa kanya for always supporting me sa mga sa every decisions na ginagawa, mapatrabaho natin or papamilya. Gusto ko niyo pasalamat sa kanya, siyempre sa pagtanggap niya sa family ko. And of course, pagmamahal niya sa akin, and sa 4 babies na yun.
Lagi mong tatandaan, sinalam na lang pa rin kita. Hindi ko na masyadong hahabaan at dadramahan pang sulat na ito dahil for sure totoo na akong lumapit mo. I love you, babe. Kasama kang tumanda.
Thank you, my Diva, for everything. I hope you like this simple gift I got to you. Wearing cap. Very good. See you soon. I love you.
I promise to be the best wife to you and the best mother to our future children. I look forward to raising our family and building a relationship under the guidance of God. I love you forever and always.
There you have it, ladies and gents. Once again, the lady piece of Nornie and the